Happy Talk with Dr. C and Teddy.
It's time for superhero skills.
Beautiful human beings, today I'm going to teach you all about the superhero pose. Yep, that's right. The superhero pose is something scientists have actually studied. This pose helps us build confidence, helps us feel more assured, helps us breathe in that deep belly breathing way. There are so many benefits of striking a superhero pose. So let's strike that pose. All right, to do the superhero pose, you keep a gentle bend in your knees, you put your hands on your hips, you puff out your chest, and you do your best Superman impression. Scientists find that within doing 2 minutes of this pose, you will start to feel more confident and capable. So, let's practice this pose together.
Let's pose, let's pose.
Let's do the superhero pose.
Let's pose, let's pose.
When you're feeling lost or out of control.
Let's pose, let's pose.
Let's do the superhero pose.
When you're feeling down, when you're feeling scared, when you're feeling like no one even cares. Strike the pose and build confidence and remind yourself that you can get through this. Let's pose, let's pose.
Let's do the superhero pose.
Let's pose, let's pose.
When you're feeling lost or out of control.
Let's pose, let's pose.
Let's do the superhero pose.
Well, that's it for this video. If you want to check out some more of Teddy and I's videos, look at the link below. And remember, you matter and what you're going through matters. Bye! Bye-bye!